In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Instagram on your device and sign in into your account. Once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, go ahead and select a photo that you want to archive or hide from your feed. So go ahead and click on that specific photo that you want to hide and click on the three dots at the top right corner of that photo. And in here, go ahead and click on that archive button to archive this post. Now once you archive that post, you'll be able to hide that from your profile. And to be able to access that, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and click on the archive section. Now set this into post archive to be able to view all of the posts that you have archived. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to find that photo in this section. Now once you click on the top right corner of this specific photo, you'll be able to show it again to your profile by clicking on the show on profile button. And that is how you can simply hide photos on Instagram without deleting it. Archiving your photos will allow you to keep your photos without showing them on your Instagram feed. This will allow you and could help you clean up your feed and tailor it on the style that you want to do. We hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.